Hello everyone and welcome to my channel TNL Digital Marketing. In this video, I am going to talk about Catalog Manager. It's a very important tool from Facebook ads and it helps you create ads very fast. So suppose that you have a website like you can see here, this is fattyjeans.com, my website, and here I have a lot of products, and to create an ad in Facebook, I have to upload all these products, then I have to upload the name of the product, then I have to upload the URL of this product, then I have to upload the price of the product, and I have to do this multiple times because I have many products here. So to make my job easier, Facebook has created a catalog manager where I can create a catalog, and this catalog is synced with my website. So whenever I change the pricing on my website, whenever I upload a new product, all this information will be there on my catalog manager within an hour. So Catalog Manager helps you create ads very fast. So let me show you what happens when you use a Catalog Manager. Here I am on Facebook Ads Manager. I click on create a new campaign and I'll show you how fast I'm going to create an ad with the help of Catalog. So here I've selected conversion. I'll click on continue and it will show me all the settings. And I have covered everything related to conversions campaign, so I'm not going to do this again. And this is, by the way, the fourth video of the series of Facebook ads course in English, and you can see that I have created 3 videos before. One is on how to set up Facebook ads manager and business manager. The next one is I have shown how to create a conversions campaign. I have also shown you how to create a pixel and how to install it. So everything I have shown. So here I am going to directly show you how to how to use a catalog to create your ad really fast. So if you don't have multiple products, if you are just selling a single product, then this video will be useless for you, and you can really skip this video and then you can just move on to the next video in this playlist. And I'll share the link of this playlist in the description and on the I button above, as you can see. So now I'll go to my campaign, and here I'll go directly to the ad because I've already explained these things. So I'll go to the ad and here let it load, and here I'll just select my Instagram page, and here I'll go and I'll show you how to create a carousel type of ad really quickly. A carousel format ad is the type of ad which has multiple scrollable images, as you can see here. And here it gives me an option to fill the cards dynamically from my product set. So it can take the cards automatically from my catalog and my product set. So I'll just quickly select this one, and here it has taken my catalog automatically, and here I can choose the product set. Suppose I want to promote my bike t-shirt, so I can click on bike t-shirt product sets, since I've created all these things, and I'll show you how to create them. And you can see here that my bike product set is now selected, and I click on expand and show you. I'll click on desktop newsfeed, and now you can see that all my bike t-shirts are here automatically. The name is here, the pricing is here, and once I click on shop now, people will go directly to the page, to the product page of this t-shirt. So you can see all my t-shirts are here automatically. So this is how easy it is to create ad with the catalog. And you have multiple options here as well, as for example, you can also click on slideshow. So all the images of the single product will be displayed here. Suppose you have multiple images of a single product, so all these images will show up here. Let me show you. See, you can see that the image keeps on changing here. All the colors are now displayed here. This is the orange color, this is the red color, and this is the gray color. So all the types of images are showing here because I've selected slideshow. And one of the most important thing is, you can see written here that items from your catalog automatically appear in these cards. People see relevant items based on their interest. So people are going to see the items which they are interested already. So this is the best thing about these catalogs, is that they show only those items which people are interested in. And since you can only have 10 items here, and suppose your catalog has maybe 100 products, so the catalog will automatically select the best 10 products and will show up here automatically. In headline, as you can see here, the product name is automatically selected, you can see here. And in the pricing section, you can see the pricing is automatically selected. I can change here the field also. I have multiple fields here and I can change it, but since everything is working correctly for me, so I'll not change it. I can also change the product name. I can change here, different fields are there, and it will appear dynamically. So this is how easy it is to create an ad from the catalog. So you can also put some text here. So I'll just write 50% off on bike t-shirts. I'm just putting random text right now, but you can think something and you can write some text here, and this text will appear above the image. So you can see here 50% off on bike t-shirt is now here. So you just have to put the text here and your ad will be ready, and you can click on publish and your ad will be ready and it will start showing up to the people. You can change the shop now button also from here, and that's it. So you can see that I have created this ad within 4 to 5 clicks. So that's how easy it is to create an ad once you have set up your catalog. So now let me go back to Catalog Manager to show you how I have created this catalog and how I have added these products and how this catalog is getting synced with my website. So I'm going to show all of this in this video. So if you want to go to Catalog Manager, you have to go to Business Tools, and here you can click on Catalog Manager. See, Catalog Manager is here. So I click on Catalog Manager and it has taken me to all my catalog. It's showing me all my catalogs. And if you don't have a catalog, you can click on Add Catalog and create a new catalog. So let me show you. So here you can see that I can select the type of catalog. I have to do some configuration settings, and once I finish, I will have a new catalog. So since I already have a catalog, so I'll click on back and I'll show you how my catalog looks like to show you how it works. So this is my catalog. I click on my catalog, and here if I go to items, all my items will appear. So here you can see that I have 48 items and I have somewhere around 288 variants of these 48 items. So let me show you how it works. So to set up the catalog, once you create a catalog, obviously you will not have all these items and all these variants. To bring these items to your catalog, you have to go to data sources, and here you can see that a product feed is here. Product feed is actually the one which is syncing all the products from my website to the catalog. So you have to create this feed, and once this feed is finished, then all your products will automatically get synced to your catalog. So let me show you how to create a feed. And if you have a WordPress website and if you have a Shopify website, then it's very easy to create this feed. And if you don't have a website, then also I'll show you how to do it, but it's a little difficult and it's a little time consuming. So since I have a WordPress website, so you can see that this is a WordPress website. So in WordPress, you can install a simple plugin, and you must already have that plugin because I have shown you how to install the pixel, and in that pixel I have shown you how this Facebook pixel you have to install. And once you install the plugin, your pixel will get connected. You can see my catalog is also created by this plugin, and my business manager is also connected because of this plugin. And I can go to product sync and I can sync my product anytime I want because I have this plugin. You can see here sync products, and once I make changes in products, for example, I have changed some pricing, I have changed some name of my product, so I can click on sync product and all my products will be synced. So all the changes which I have made on my website, it will all appear up on my catalog also. So this is the advantage of having a WordPress website. And if you have a Shopify website, then your Shopify website also gets connected to Facebook Ads Manager, and a catalog will be created automatically for you. And if you are facing any other problem, there are many apps you can use from Shopify App Store, and from here let me recommend one for you. I recommend that you use Facebook and Google Shopping Feed. It's a free app and it has a very good rating. It has a 4.6 rating. You can use this app to create a product feed, and you can use the product feed in your catalog manager to get all the products synced with your website. So you can see here WooCommerce product because I already have all the products syncing. So you can see in the data feeds, one of the feed is here. So if you want to add products manually, let me show you. You can click on add products, and here it's showing you an option to add the products manually, and it's recommended only for the people who have small inventory that rarely changes. So if you have a small inventory, you don't have many products, and that too you don't make any changes in the product frequently, then you can choose this option. And in this option you have to fill a form, and one by one you can add all the items to your catalog. So I'll click on next to show you how the form looks like. So this is how the form looks like. You have to put the image here. You can put additional images also, and then you have to put the title, description, the link to the product page, the pricing, and all this information you have to provide. Some more variations also you have to create. All this information, once you complete these 4 steps, your one of the product will be uploaded. And once you upload all the products, once you fill the form multiple times for multiple products, then all your products will be there on in your catalog. So I'll right now click on cancel, and I'll go back to data sources to show you some other methods also. So I click on add products, and you can also upload the products in bulk using a spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, or a Microsoft Excel sheet. So here it says that you can upload a file, set up a scheduled feed, or you can use Google spreadsheet to add multiple items at once. So I'll click on that one. I'll click on next. And here I have three options. I can upload a file, or I can create a scheduled field, which means that I can upload the file on my website, and the Facebook will automatically keeps on syncing that file to the catalog so that all the products will be there on your catalog. Or you can create a Google spreadsheet, so that it will be automatically synced whenever you make changes in that Google Sheet. So let me first show you how you can upload a file. So you can click on upload file and then you can go on next. But you obviously need to have a file before uploading it. So here is an option to create a file. So you can click on create, and since we are creating the file for the ads, I'll choose dynamic ads, and I click on download file. Don't choose Instagram shopping or shops because these are for Instagram and this one is for Facebook. So since we are doing this for ads, so click on dynamic ads and click on download file. So your file will get downloaded, and let me show you how it looks like. So you can see that there are some columns which are required and there are some columns which are optional. So the required columns you have to fill this information compulsorily, and the optional stuff you can skip. So here you have to put the ID, title, description, availability. You can list all your IDs, you can list all your products here, and you have to fill all this information. And once you fill all this information, you have to save this whole spreadsheet, and then you can upload the spreadsheet on this one, file upload option. So let me click on next, and here it's giving me an option to upload that file. So once I upload it, I have to just complete the settings and my whole feed will be ready. So I'll click on cancel. I'll go on upload. I'll go on use bulk upload again. And if you go on to upload your file on the website, then you can create a scheduled field. You can click on the scheduled field, and then you can click on next. And here you have to provide the URL where you have uploaded the file, and your file will be automatically uploaded on the catalog, and it will be automatically synced also. So let me go on previous. There is also an option to use Google Sheets. So instead of that Microsoft Excel, you can use Google Sheets, and on Google Sheets you can fill all the columns, and then you can click on next, and here it's giving all the options that you have to create the file, and then you can click on next, and here you have to provide the URL, and then your feed will be uploaded. So I'll click on previous, and here so I click on cancel again, and there is another option to use a pixel, but this option is not working right now. And if it would be working, then it would be great because it would create a catalog automatically, but since it's not working, so it's quite useless right now. So I click on cancel. There is another option where you can upload a feed based on some additional features. So you can click on add feed, and if you are creating some feed with local pricing, local currency, or some different sizes based on different currencies, then you can upload a feed here. And if your website is in multiple languages, then you can upload a feed here. So I will just show you. You have to just select this one and click on next, and you will get all three options here again as I have shown you: file upload, scheduled feed, and Google Sheets. So this is how you upload a product feed on your website, and this is how you will get all the items listed here. Once you upload the feed, you will have all the items listed here and all the variants listed here, and then you have to go to events, and then you have to connect your catalog with your pixel. So as you can see here, my pixel is connected here. If you want to connect your pixel, you have to go on connect to tracking, and here you have to select your pixel and you have to turn your connection on. Let it load, and here you can see that my connection is turned on and it's tracking inventory events, and you can see that the last event is received 32 minutes ago. So my catalog is also synced with my pixel. And when you go to your product, if you go to any of your product page, and if you check your pixel, if I go to view content, you can see all the values. Like you can see the value 599, the price of the product, the currency INR, you can see INR, and the content name. You can see here bike t-shirt for men. This is the content name. It's taking the content name also. So Pixel is taking all this information from your catalog and it's syncing with the catalog. So because of that, you can now run dynamic ads. So I'll go back to my catalog, and now I'll show you how to create product sets, because as I've shown in the ads manager that you can also create product sets here. As you can see here, I've created a separate product set for bike t-shirts because I promote my products based on different categories, and that is why I need different product sets. So I'll go to sets, and here I click on create sets. And here you can either use filters or you can manually select items. So by using filter, I mean that when you upload a product feed or wherever your feed is coming from, there is some information called Google product category, or there is some information like Facebook product categories. If you have categorized your products, then you will get your filters automatically in your catalog. So let me show you. Since I have categorized my products, so I can use my filters and it will make my job easier. So I have categorized based on product type. And here if I select, see right now it's saying 288 items, it's actually showing all my products. So if I click here, you can see here bike t-shirts, there are only 73 products here. And if I click here, all my bike t-shirts will be selected. You can see 73 products are selected. And now I can create a product set of my bike t-shirt. I can click on create and my product set will be ready. And you can see here, I will discard changes. And you can see here all the 73 variants. You can see all the 73 variants and 7 items are here. These are all my bike t-shirts. So once I have created the product set, I can use the product set here while creating an ad, and all the products in that product set will be displayed in the ad. So that is how you create a catalog to create an ad very, very fast. So I hope that you like this video and I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.